Top award is for grade 2, Thrifty.
Zara A. Bala.
Congratulations, Anak. What are your awards?
Best in conduct.
Best in conduct and
Karsten Klein Valdez.
with honor.
Rian C. Lucia.
The next up, ano yan?
Thalia Amira Cruz P. Roberts. Thalia will be receiving the Best in Conduct Award.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.